Let's learn how you can harness the power of one of the biggest new features that has arrived in Hire2Retire as part of the Phase 5.1 release, and set up a built-in ITSM integration directly in Hire2Retire. To set up your integration, we'll need to go to the new integration section of the Hire2Retire workflow. And here you'll be able to link your Jira software or ServiceNow account to Hire2Retire in the same way that you would connect an HRIS profile account to set up a Hire2Retire integration. And once your integration is set up, you can create as many issues as you want that Hire2Retire will automatically generate in your ITSM system upon an employee lifecycle event happening. You can customize these issues in a number of ways, selecting where and to whom the ticket will be assigned to, how many story points and how long it should take, but most importantly, you can customize this issue with a variety of attributes directly from Active Directory. And this Active Directory customization is what makes the possibilities endless with ITSM integration. As a brief example, you can use ITSM integration to create an issue that would assign a laptop to a new employee upon their hiring. Or you can create an issue that would retrieve company assets from an employee upon that employee being terminated. Adding an ITSM integration to your workflow can extend Hire2Retire's business process automation to ITSM platforms like Jira and ServiceNow, and help your IT and service fulfillment teams stay on top of onboarding, offboarding, and other employee lifecycle events, all of which can be customized to fit your exact needs.